Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some chocolate covered peanut butter saltines. Spread some peanut butter on saltine and then add another saltine on the top, like that. And I'm going to melt some chocolate chips over hot water. And I'm going to chop up some chocolate chips, and I'll chop up a saltine as a coating as well. And I have some chopsticks suspended over some parchment paper. And there's my melted chocolate. Now I'm going to take one of the crackers and I'm going to drop it down into the chocolate, turn it over, and place it on the chopsticks. And then I can drop some of my shredded chocolate or my shredded crackers over the top, like that, and I'm going to refrigerate these until they're firm. And now they have hardened in the refrigerator. And there you go, some peanut butter saltine chocolates. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.